guys. So as we all know, the Nvidia Geforce experience layout is being changed totally. Like it is now a totally different software. So before that, we used to have options pretty straightforward and the front side. Like we used to change the video settings, audio, graphics settings for Shadowplay. So now if we go here, we do not see any option for Shadowplay, game recording quality, audio quality, bitrate settings and stuff. So they have not uh, shown here. So in order to reach that, first we need to go into setting, and then you need to open the overlay. For you, maybe you have different shortcut command. It will be written here. So you need to press. For me, I have it Control Alt and semicolon. Now I have the options here. So if you go into settings, here you will see the options you used to have in the front in the previous layout for GeForce Experience Shadowplay. If in the audio, you can simply have it in your own way, like system sound and sound from microphone and stuff, and video capture, like desktop capture, instant replay, how many minutes you need to record, the quality, uh, resolution, FPS and the bitrate, and the file location, like where you want to put files that it is being recorded. So yeah, this is the area uh, in which we can now change the setting in the new GeForce Experience app for Shadowplay game recording. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe, share, and like. Thank you.